Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we're going to remove the left front wheel. We're going to use a 7/8 socket and a breaker bar. Loosen the lug nuts before we lift the vehicle. We're just going to crack them free. Just going to raise and support the vehicle. I'm going to use a ratchet and remove the lug nuts if they're on there a little bit tight. And just use the socket by hand. Now we're going to remove the tire. This one's stuck on a little bit, so just hit it back and forth. Pull it off. I'm going to take these screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Phillips head screws. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Now we're going to pull this push pin out, use a trim tool, get underneath the top part of the clip, pull that out a little bit, and then you can get underneath the clip, pull that off. We can pull this out of our way. Slide that to the side. Okay, I'm going to disconnect this connector. I'm going to use a 90-degree pick. I'm going to slide under this lock right here, pry it out a little bit, and then wiggle the connector while I'm doing that. Disconnect that. Okay, to pull this fog light assembly out, I'm going to use a 7mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. I'm going to pull the bolt out here, but I'm going to try to get the one on the back side first. Once it's loose, do this one by hand. I'm going to try to support the fog light assembly so it doesn't fall. That bolt out. You can slide the assembly back, pull it up. I'm going to reinstall this fog light assembly. There is an adjuster right here. If you're installing a new one, you can adjust it afterwards. Slide it in place. Make sure the holes are lined up. And I'll take this screw and get that one started right here. Once that one's started, I can get the other one lined up. It's a little bit tricky to get your hand in here, but Once those are both started, I can start tightening them down by hand. Once they're snug by hand, then I can use the ratchet, snug them up a little bit more. Not too tight, it is plastic. Same with this one. Once those are snug, you can reconnect the electrical connector, line it up, and lock it on. So to adjust this fog light, what you can do is you can use a 6mm Allen, and you slide it in here, get it lined up, and then you can tighten it or loosen it and adjust it accordingly. Now we'll reinstall this inner fender well. Line that back up. Stick our push pin in there and lock it down. Can get all our screws started. Once all the screws are started, then we'll snug them down with our Phillips head screwdriver. Snug this last one down. Now we're going to install the tire. Line it up with the lugs. Push it on. Install the lug nuts. Now we can lower the vehicle and torque them. All right, I'm going to torque these lug nuts with a 7/8 socket and a torque wrench. We actually sell this torque wrench at 1aauto.com. I'm going to torque them in a star pattern or a cross pattern that will make the wheel and tire tighten up evenly.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.